a car that literally suits every customer, young or old, family, single. The Land Rover Defender 110, selling so many of these at the moment. Another pristine prime example just arrived. This is a 2022 72 plate, 2,000 miles, X-Dynamic SE D250. So this is a 3-litre diesel, 250 horsepower, long wheelbase Defender in Fuji White, X-Dynamic styling, matte black 110 decal, sliding roof. The SE gives it great spec anyway, with the upgraded lights to the front, electric memory seat, adaptive cruise control, Meridian sound system. It is a brilliant, brilliant car. And we sell, honestly, people wouldn't believe how many of these cars we sell a week. Buying and selling the best examples. This one is one of those. So 2,000 miles on the clock, obviously balance of manufacturer's warranty, breakdown assistance, all remaining. This is an X-Dynamic, so you'll see some of these cars come painted in body colour when they're black, but when you get a different colour, you usually get the metallic section to the bottom, the metallic badges, the metallic insert into the bumper, front and rear. SE gives it these matrix lights with the daytime driving light, obviously 360 camera system. We've got the checkerboard in gloss black and the matte black bonnet decal. Gloss black styling, so X-Dynamic, we've got the painted arches, painted bottom section, fixed side steps, 20-inch wheels, which I really like on this car because they are not black, anthracite grey. Black roof with roof rails is an option, and you'll see at the back as well, lifting the back end, black spare wheel cover, nice little rear spoiler. It's a great looking Defender, this. A white one is always a head turner. Very rare to be seen in white with this X-Dynamic. It's a great, great looking thing. And then we've got the boot with the 110, big boot space, seats go down, X-Dynamic styling to the back. I've mentioned it, the slightly different metallic styling, and we've got the towing hooks right and left with the X-Dynamic. LED rear lights, keyless entry. Into this car is a black leather and Robustex interior. The car is in a basically like new condition. It's done 2,000 miles, exactly what you'd expect. Sliding sunroof, big feature on these cars. If you look into the wing mirror, we have the blind spot assist as part of the adaptive cruise package, electric memory seat for driver and passenger, Pivi Pro interface. Just a great four-wheel drive. Big, high off the road, safe, great driving position. These do everything on-road and off-road. It's a great looking on-road vehicle, but if you want to take it off-road, that's what these things are all about as well. Great value for money. Jumping in, using the steps to help me get in. I've mentioned it, they are high up off the road, these Defenders. When you're sat in one, it's a lovely driving position. I don't think there's any car better for me to sit in than one of these for the position. On the steering wheel, you'll see it's lovely, brand new. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning. We have your stereo and Bluetooth controls on the left-hand side, switchable interface digitally behind the steering wheel, which is really easy to do. You can have your clocks, your navigation, your trip computer, your media interface. Pivi Pro gives us wireless smartphone interface with Apple and Android CarPlay, navigation, Bluetooth, different four-wheel drive and terrain settings, really good stuff. And then into reverse, reversing camera, off-road camera, on-road camera, 360, surround view camera system, the best really. Heated front seats, digital climate control, heated front, rear and side windows, USB, USB-C, 2 keys, like new condition, sliding sunroof with black headlining. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. With an SE spec, you get the stereo, which I think is a good thing, the Meridian, you get the electric memory seat, you get the keyless entry, and then you get the car lifted by these LED lights to the front with that X-Dynamic styling. This is a brilliant, brilliant Defender on the website now. Best buy in the UK, 2,000 miles on a 72. Thanks for watching.